Hi, welcome to HannahCrochet. In this video, I want to show you how to make these beautiful flowers. For crocheting these flowers, I used yarn art jeans yarn and 1.5 millimeters hook. I make a slip knot, make 45 chains. In round 2, start crocheting from the 4th chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, and make 1 double crochet. Now make 4 chain, 2, 3, 4. Insert the hook into the same loop as before and make 1 double crochet. Skip 3 chain and make double crochet in the 4th chain. Four chain, insert the hook into the same loop as before and make double crochet. Skip 3 chain and make double crochet in the 4th chain. Four chain, insert the hook into the same loop as before and make double crochet. Skip 3 chain and make double crochet in the 4th chain. And in the same way, we crochet until the end. For crocheting round 3, 1 chain and turn back, make 10 double crochet here. One, 2, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10. make a slip stitch here. Make 10 double crochets in the next loop. One, two, seven, 8, 9, and 10. In the next loop, we make a slip stitch here. Make 10 double crochet in the next loop. A slip stitch in the next loop, ten double crochet here, I make 10 double crochet, four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. A slip stitch here, and keep going this pattern in this row. I finished crocheting row 3, make 1 chain and cut the yarn. Now we have to shape the flower. We fold the first petal and in the same way we wrap the petals around each other. Use a needle to keep them firmly in place. Please follow me. The crocheting of this flower is finished. I hope you like this tutorial. Don't forget to like and comment, and stay with Hannah Crochet.